Good morning. Yes, there's my Mark 1, there's my daily, and here it's my 156, and here it's 2-liter twin spark engine it was. So like you guys can see, lots of potential. So, let me just get there. You see, Alfa spares everywhere. Let me just take this down. Let's try it. Nope. Nope. Okay, this is the Alfa flywheel and clutch that I've engineered to fit on the Mark 1 block engine. And here's the Alfa gearbox, 5-speed manual. So what I have to do, I have to cut that ear off. So let me take this off again. Nope. Nope. And there we go, it's off. Now what I have to do, I have to cut this ear off the block. So let's do that. Okay, there we go. I've cut it off. Let's check. I'll say this that bolts, dismounting bolts also to the original VolksWagen gearbox, but we have to cut it off so the CV can pass here. Yes, because I'm building it, how can I put it, for every situation we must figure out the solution. So now I'm going to fit the flywheel and the clutch again on the crank, merge the gearbox to the block again. Then we must check mounting points, because I must drill through the gearbox and so that we can mount the gearbox. I see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what we're going to do is, when we modify the shaft here, we must make a bracket here also for the gearbox. That's what I'm thinking. But first, damn, again. So, since we last left off, I joined the block to the gearbox. Only tested with a bolt here on top, and there it's the other bolt there. So the problem was, it was grinding on the starter, like you guys can see, there and there. Going to shave it off now. And here's the one ear of the starter also, so it's this here. There we go. I must take that off also. So yes, then the starter, it's going to have 2 bolts there and there to hold it. So like you guys can see, there's the one bolt so far, and there's the other one. Now I'm going to turn it. You guys can see it turns so beautifully. So yes, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to shave down this ear of the Alfa starter. So yes, there we go. Okay, I have cut this ear off. Now it's not in the way anymore there. It's fastened there and fastened there. It's going nowhere. And let's turn it now. Like you guys can see, it's spinning clearly now with any hesitation. So basically the Golf engine, it's mounted to the Alfa gearbox. Now, yeah, it's full of aluminum, aluminium dust. So I must rinse out the gearbox and so when I clean it. But anyway, now I must modify the shaft that fastened on the old Alfa engine to here. So if I look, this ear must also be removed, because I just have that feeling it must be removed. So this is my setup so far. Okay, Alfa original mountings and stuff. The one drive shaft, and I must cut here also from the engine. I don't have a tool for this, so it seems it's going to be a problem to take off this. Yes, let me first cut this. Maybe I'm going to cut, we will see, because I'm not using the twin spark anymore. So I will be back now. Let's check YouTube magic. Nope, nope. And we're back. Okay, it's inside the gearbox there, like you guys can see. This is the Alfa's old, because here it's the power steering and pulleys and tensioners and everything. Like you guys can see, here it's the one CV shaft. Yes, CV shaft. I'm going to check now. Just stay. I'm going to loosen it there, and so I'm going to check, maybe I can cut this and modify this to the sump. Yes, I can maybe build brackets, or I can build brackets from here also. So let me just figure it out. I'll be back with you now. Here it's the top part, and here it's not the prettiest now. I will clean it up. So I have cut this with baby grinder, so let's check how it fits now. Lovely. There we go. Like you guys can see, we'll just clean it up nicely. And then I have mounting point there to mount it. I will figure something out, make like a yes, one step at a time.